Today I would like to discuss how to create a pivot table in Qlik. I'm going to use the previous sheet I created, do a duplicate, change the name to be pivot summary. First, I'm going to remove this chart. And then find the pivot table. Let's start to add the dimension from sales rep. For the measure, we can do gross sales using sum. With the sales, gross sales, we can change the label to be just the gross sales, and the formatting is money. Sorting, we can sort by the descending order of the gross sales. Next step we can do is to add some more dimensions. Here with the row, we can add the region, city, product type, and also the items. That way we can drill down from sales rep to region, city, and type, see different product sales information. We can also rearrange the hierarchy order. Say for instance, we can drag the product type just before the region. Then when we drill down, will be salesperson, type, and then region, city, such and such. I hope you find this small tutorial useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.